Hey, I have a product here that I want to share with you because this thing works really great. This is Rest self-heating eye compresses. Right now here where I live, it is winter time, so that means a lot of heat in the buildings and it's really starts to dry your eyes out. And then on top of it drying your eyes out, I get this feeling like that my eyes watering, but it's still really dry. The nice part about these is that these are self-heating right here. You do not have to wet a washcloth, put it in the microwave. You don't have to do any of that stuff. This takes care of itself. So these not only are going to be great at home, but when you are going on vacation, if you're on an airplane ride, anything like that, it just takes about 10 to 15 minutes putting this on, but you want to maybe do this every day. Each one comes individually packaged like this. Just going to demonstrate it for you here. You just put it on just like that. I actually already feel it working. I can feel the warmth. If you were thinking it was a little too warm for your liking, you can simply just lay there like this. That kind of lifts it away from the eyes a little bit, so it's not quite as warm. But to me, this feels really good. It's not too hot or anything like that. And then you just have to focus on relaxing. And just even after a few minutes of this on, I can already feel the moisture in my eyes. It's like it's naturally lubricating the eyes. This is really cool. So I just wanted to help you out. If you're wondering, do these really work? Do they really heat up all by themselves? And is it actually really warm enough? The answer is yes, yes, and yes, it does. It's amazing. I don't even really know how that works. You just open the package, take it out, put it on, and it just starts working.